All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a pretty exciting matchup for you guys tonight, and the first and foremost, let me first welcome back the 2021 Shelby GT500. Now, the last time you guys saw this car, it raced against a Porsche 911 Turbo S. Now, just a little recap on what's done to this car. This car has an upgraded X-pipe, intake, and an upper pulley on an E85 tune with an upgraded injectors. Now, these cars weigh around 4,200 pounds, and they are rear-wheel drive, and he's running on 325 Toyo R888 tires. Now, I don't have the horsepower numbers for you guys, but for sure he's definitely in the 800s. So I'm sorry I can't give you the horsepower numbers exact, but you guys will have to guess somewhere between 800 and 900 for sure. And who he's going to be racing up against is a 2006 C6 Corvette. Now this Corvette is LS2 with a built bottom end and stage 1 cam. But let me just show you. He is a rear-mounted twin turbo kit from STS with eBay GT35R turbos. Now, this also is a manual transmission. Now, the owner did upgrade his wheels and tires and brakes, so he's running on 20s in the back and 19s in the front. Let me just see what tires he's running. These are also Toyo R888 tires. And let me see how wide these are. 315s. Now, the owner expects this car to weigh somewhere close to 3,500 pounds with all the stuff he's done to it. So it's definitely a lot lighter than the GT500. And he's running on an E40 Tune as of right now. And he is estimating this car to be somewhere around 700 horsepower. It has not been on the dyno. He street tuned it. So I think this is going to be an interesting race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes.
It's flashing. It's on.
Yeah.
You're good.
Woo! This thing sounds good. All right, guys. As you're aware, I'm here in the C6 Vet, and the first race we're gonna do is from 50 miles an hour, and we're gonna be in second gear. So we'll be in the left lane. All right, here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good race. Man, this thing flies. Good race. All right, guys. Round 2 from a 60. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. still going to be in second gear. Alright guys, last and final round from 50. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good on those last 2 runs for sure.
I probably should have done another burnout on the ramp, honestly.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.